In the realm of physics, the speed of light stands as an unbreachable barrier, a cosmic speed limit that dictates the flow of time and the structure of our universe. Yet the human mind, ever curious, yearns to explore the forbidden, to ponder the impossible. What if we dare to imagine an object could surpass this ultimate speed limit? What if it could travel at space-like speeds, traversing vast distances in the blink of an eye? To grasp the implications of such speeds, we must first understand the intimate relationship between space and time. Einstein's theory of relativity shattered the Newtonian view of a static, unchanging universe, revealing instead a dynamic fabric woven from these two intertwined entities, space-time. Within this fabric, the speed of light remains constant, an unshakable pillar, while space and time themselves warp and bend to accommodate objects in motion. As an object approaches the speed of light, time itself begins to slow down relative to a stationary observer. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, is not merely theoretical. It has been experimentally verified countless times. Now imagine pushing beyond this limit into the realm of space-like speeds. Here, the equations of relativity yield bizarre and counterintuitive results. While our current understanding of physics prohibits objects with mass from reaching, let alone surpassing, the speed of light, the concept of space-like speeds serves as a tantalizing thought experiment, a window into the potential weirdness of the universe at its most extreme. The concept of omnipresence, the ability to exist in multiple places simultaneously, seems like the stuff of fantasy, a power reserved for deities and mythical beings. Yet even within the confines of our everyday experience, we can catch fleeting glimpses of this phenomenon. Consider the sonic boom, that thunderous clap that accompanies a supersonic jet as it breaks the sound barrier. This shock wave, created by the compression of air molecules, is a testament to the aircraft's speed. A sonic signature that trails behind it like a fleeting echo. From the perspective of an observer on the ground, the jet appears to occupy a series of positions simultaneously, its roar reverberating from different points in the sky at once. Rockets, those powerful machines that propel us beyond Earth's gravitational embrace, offer another glimpse into the interplay of speed, time, and perception. As a rocket ascends into the heavens, its exhaust plume stretches out behind it, a fiery trail marking its trajectory. From our vantage point on Earth, we witness this trail as a continuous streak, a luminous arc etched across the sky. The continuous streak we observe is merely the after image of this process, a visual artifact that persists in our minds even as the rocket itself continues its journey into the void. Let us now embark on a thought experiment of truly cosmic proportions. Imagine a spacecraft capable of traveling at near infinite speed, a vessel that could traverse the vast expanse of the cosmos in the blink of an eye. At such speeds, the very concept of travel as we know it would cease to exist. Distance would become meaningless. Time would lose its grip. To embark on a journey would be to arrive at your destination instantaneously. The act of traveling and the act of arriving merging into a single, seamless event. From the perspective of an observer on Earth, such a spacecraft would appear to vanish from its starting point and reappear at its destination without ever having traversed the intervening space. It would be as if the craft had somehow bypassed the very fabric of space-time, teleporting itself across the cosmos with impossible speed. But what of the traveler inside the spacecraft? What would they experience during this instantaneous journey? Would they be privy to the secrets of the universe, their senses overwhelmed by the infinite? These questions, while fascinating, remain firmly in the realm of speculation. Our current understanding of physics offers no easy answers, no clear roadmap for navigating the paradoxical landscape of infinite speed. The speed of light is not merely a physical barrier, it is also an information barrier. Information, whether carried by light waves, sound waves, or any other means, cannot travel faster than this cosmic speed limit. This fundamental constraint has profound implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Consider the vast distances that separate us from even the nearest stars. The light from these celestial objects takes years, even centuries, to reach our telescopes, providing us with a glimpse of the universe as it was in the distant past. If we were to ever achieve interstellar communication, our messages would face similar delays, traveling across the vast gulf of space at the snail's pace of light speed. Now imagine a being capable of processing information at speeds approaching infinity. For such a being, the limitations of light speed would cease to apply. They could observe events unfolding across the universe in real time, their minds unconstrained by the sluggish pace of light waves. This hypothetical being would possess a form of omniscience, an ability to perceive all information within the universe simultaneously. The secrets of the cosmos, from the birth of stars to the dance of galaxies, would lay bare before their all-seeing eye. Of course, the existence of such a being remains purely speculative, yet the very concept serves as a tantalizing glimpse into the potential power of information processing at its most extreme. The pursuit of omnipresence, the ability to exist in multiple places simultaneously, often conjures up images of incredible speed, of objects hurtling across the cosmos in the blink of an eye. Yet, what if this elusive state could be achieved not through motion, but through stillness? What if the key to unlocking the secrets of omnipresence lies not in outward expansion, but in inward reflection? Consider the concept of consciousness, that intangible essence that animates our being and allows us to experience the world around us. Unlike physical objects, which are confined to specific locations in space and time, consciousness seems to transcend these limitations. Our thoughts, our emotions, our very sense of self cannot be pinned down to a single point in the universe. In a sense, our consciousness already exhibits a form of omnipresence, albeit one limited to the confines of our own minds. We can effortlessly shift our attention from one thought to another, from the past to the present to the future, without ever leaving the confines of our own skulls. Perhaps then, the true path to omnipresence lies not in seeking to physically occupy all points in space and time, but in cultivating a state of expanded consciousness, a state where the limitations of our physical form no longer constrain our perception of reality. Thank you to Thunderbird Perch for making this video possible. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends and family